Hey everyone, welcome back to Gallabox tutorial series. Are you ready to send more relevant and effective messages to your customers? The key is understanding and using contact segments. Instead of blasting every message to your entire contact list, segments allow you to group your contacts based on specific criteria. These criteria can be their demographics, behaviors, purchase history, or any other information you collect. By sending personalized content to these groups, you'll see higher engagement, better conversion rates, and happier customers. In this video, we will see, step by step, how to create and use contact segments within Gallabox. Let's get started. First, head over to Contacts from the left navigation menu. Once you're there, switch to the Segments tab. On the right side, you'll see a button labeled New Segment. Click on that. Now, a pop-up will appear. Click on Filter and enter the contact field that's common to all the contacts you want to group into this segment. It can be any field, whatever works best for your needs. For this example, we're using the Contact Owner field as our filter. We'll set the condition so that it includes only contacts where the Contact Owner field is empty. Once that's done, click on Apply. Next, give your segment a name, something descriptive so it's easy to identify later, and click on Create Segment. And that's it. Your segment is ready. You can now use this segment when sending out broadcast messages.
If you ever need to edit your segment, it's just as easy. Click on the three-dot menu next to your segment and select Edit. You can add more filters, tweak the conditions, or even rename your segment. Need to delete it? You'll find that option in the same menu. One thing to note, segments in Gallabox are dynamic. That means they update automatically based on the filters you've applied. For example, in our case, if any new contact is added with an empty Contact Owner field, they'll automatically be included in this segment.
Want to see how many contacts are in a segment? Just click on View Count to reveal the number. And that's how you create and use contact segments in Gallabox. By segmenting your audience, you can send the right message to the right people at the right time. Use this feature to increase customer engagement and drive more sales. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the Gallabox channel for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.